Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put the brush knife on here from scratch. So if you've taken your trimmer head off of here, this is the piece that you're going to leave on here. It's a thrust plate, and you're going to look at your rotation. So here's this is the direction your blade's going to spin. So when it's upside down, it's going that way. Look at your blade. It's got an arrow on it, so it's going to go this direction, and you're going to just rest it on here. And that's going to go ahead and center up nice. And you'll see that that's what keeps that aligned, is that plate, that little indentation there. Then you're going to take this little spline washer here. That's going to go over the top. And then those splines are going to lock together. You can see there, it's kind of bright, but you can see right there. Then you take this little, this is just a big old washer that keeps the spacing on that blade, and that's going to center up real nice like that. You're going to notice that the splines kind of stick up over the top of the washer, and you're going to think, well, shit, if I tighten down a nut, it's just going to tighten up onto that raised spline area, not all the way down in the washer. But if you look at the inside of the nut here, I'll get that to focus. See, there's a recess there. That's to eat up that little area of spline, so it caps over the top of the spline and then tightens down onto this big old spacer washer thing. So just wanted you guys to be mindful of that. And then the way this goes on is loosen, I should know better, loosen that on to tighten it, so counterclockwise to tighten, and then you put one of these little stopper pins in here to tighten it down all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now.